let's make pasta today. I'm going to use some chicken broth and some broccoli. In your broccoli, if they're large, you want to cut them in half. And some little ears pasta, red pepper flakes and garlic, and this is pecorino romano and onion, and some Italian sausage. And let's get started. I have a pot of water boiling. I'm going to add my Orecchiette little ears. Bring this to a boil. Well, it's about ready to boil. I'm going to cook this 2 minutes under what the package says, which is 8 to 9 minutes for me. Well, this is boiled for 9 minutes. I checked it at 8 minutes and I thought it needed the other minute. So I'm going to take it out of here and put it in another place, because I'm going to reuse this water, and I'm going to blanch the broccoli. Oh, get that out. And I will start timing the broccoli. I'm going to do it for 3 minutes and make sure that the water is boiling during the whole 3 minutes. And let's take this out. There's my 3-minute timer going off. And I'm not putting this in ice bath. I'm not going to shock it. I'm just going to let it cool down naturally. Then I'll move my fry pan over here to start getting hot. I'm going to add some olive oil. My pan should be somewhat hot. It's on medium-low heat. It's on medium-low heat because this stove runs hot. I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. I'm going to wait until I see those sizzle a little bit. No, I'm not going to wait. I guess they're sizzling a little bit. I'm going to add 2½ cloves of garlic. Well, it's kind of 3, but I cut some places off of them, and I cut them very roughly. And we'll let those brown a little bit. Some of the garlic is browning, so I'm going to add the onion. That's a medium-sized onion, a little over a cup. We'll cook this in. This has been going about 4 minutes, 4½ minutes. And I tried to break up the sausage here into smaller pieces, and I'll continue to do that. I'll go ahead and add a little bit of salt. I never did. And we're going to cook this up. Now we're going to add the broccoli. The sausage is cooked about 4 minutes. And I just noticed here that some of the pasta is mixed with the broccoli. Well, that's alright. It's not that much. And I did not salt the water for the pasta or the broccoli or anything, because we're going to add full strength chicken broth, you know, fully salted chicken broth to this. So we're going to cook the broccoli up about 3 minutes or so. I'm going to add, it's been 3 minutes, I'm going to add around a cup of chicken broth. And I have more because I may need more. And I'm going to let the chicken broth cook in here for 3 minutes. Well, I've cooked this, instead of 3 minutes, I've cooked it 7, maybe a bit over, because I like my broccoli fairly done and soft. I'm going to add the pasta to this. And here, I'm going to watch it and cook the pasta. The pasta is al dente, believe me, and it needs to cook more. So I'm probably going to add some more broth to this. I'm going to watch it and see what happens and let you all know. Well, the pasta, the little ears, has cooked for 5 minutes. It's still slightly al dente, and I did add another cup of chicken broth. And there is some juice left, not a whole lot. I'm going to add just a little bit of breadcrumbs. Maybe soak that up. I don't want it to be wet. And you don't have to do that, but I turn the heat off too, if I didn't tell you. I'm using panko, but you can use anything. Italian breadcrumbs would be very nice. I think that's good. I'm going to add some of the romano cheese. Probably 1/4 cup. Stir this in. And we're ready to serve. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil on top. More cheese. It could use a little bit more salt. I should have salted a little heavier, but it's still very good. Okay, let's have a taste. I love it. I like it. Oh, that cheese makes all the difference. Very good. Very, very good. Thank you so much for watching.